Have you ever felt like your render looks good, but something's still missing? Do you want to make a bigger impact with what you're delivering? Hey everyone, my name is Marcos, and for the past 8 years, my passion has been transforming 3D renders through post-production. I've worked at major studios, and today I collaborate with companies in Brazil and abroad, boosting the quality of their visualizations and adding value to films that have already helped construction companies sell their high-end products. But look, today I'm here to tell you that you can also master the techniques that will take your Archviz projects to the next level. Even if you've never opened After Effects, I'm going to show you the way, step by step, in a practical and straightforward manner. Creating a realistic render with the countless tools we have today has become not such a difficult task, right? And that's why I believe your work should stand out in terms of aesthetics. And it's in post-production where the magic happens. It's where you add depth, create details, and build unique atmospheres that tell visually striking stories, capable of captivating clients and closing deals. In this new course, which was tailor-made for you who have never used After Effects or for those who have tried and felt lost, here we get straight to the point. All the content is based on real projects, with the challenges we face every day in the market. It's the workflow that major studios use, tested and proven, so you can apply it immediately to your projects. In Module 1, you'll understand what post-production is, the areas of this market, and the origin of the terms we use. I'll show you how all of this applies to After Effects, focusing on compositing and color grading. And that's why After Effects is the ideal tool to meet the demands of this industry. In Module 2, let's get hands-on. I'll guide you through the interface, importing, essential adjustments, interpolation concepts, and FPS, and more. We'll create our first composition from scratch, exploring render elements and a plugin for a camera blur that gives it that professional touch. In Module 3, you'll master adjustments with levels and curves, learn how to get the most out of render elements using masks, do tracking to integrate elements into the scene, apply realistic backgrounds, and fix small 3D errors with cleanup techniques. In Module 4, the challenge gets tougher. A complete 10-second scene, a dynamic camera, applying all the techniques you've learned to create something truly impactful. And in Module 5, we go even further. We'll export the camera from 3ds Max to After Effects, integrate animated footages, and adjust assets with support from Photoshop, making your productions even richer. And look, there's more. We're already planning more content for you. Modules 6 and 7 will take you to an even more advanced level. In Module 6, you'll learn how to integrate a 3D building into drone footage. And in Module 7, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can work together with After Effects to create dynamic elements and enhance your productions. These modules will be available soon for those who join the course now. You'll get 20 hours of hands-on lessons, 3 complete scenes taught from scratch, and 4 extra scenes for you to practice and improve your skills. Plus, we have an exclusive community on Discord where you can ask questions and chat with other students, and you'll get another year of direct support from me. For those who sign up now during the launch, the first groups will get lifetime access to the course, including all future content updates. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to start from scratch in After Effects and reach an intermediate level. And don't worry if you use a different renderer besides Corona Renderer. The post-production concepts you'll learn here are universal and can be adapted to any other workflow. If you want to impress your clients, break into the market with more impact, or simply be proud of what you're delivering, then this is your moment. Click now, check out all the details, and secure your spot in the course. But remember, okay? Lifetime access is a special offer and limited to the first groups. See you there!